Foster coming to you from smarthumanblogger.com, and in this video I will show you how to create a fully functional Aweber landing page, and you're going to learn how to do this in this Aweber landing page tutorial. All right, now I'm going to show you the pages which I'm going to create for you. So all you need to do is just follow along and learn how you can do this for yourself as well. Now, this is the page which I'm going to create. This is the landing page. And I'm also going to create a bridge page as well. Now, you may be one of these people out there who may be using Clickfunnels or maybe using lead pages or some other landing page builders. Now, Aweber recently introduced their landing page builder, and this is going to be something that's going to be very helpful to a lot of people out there because it's less expensive in Aweber, and you still can build out nice looking landing pages where you can collect your email subscribers, and you can also build up your landing page with also video. Same thing like ClickFunnels. All right, ClickFunnels, as you know, is the top rated one, and this is going to be a great alternative for you. All right, now let's go ahead, let's start. So let's go into our Aweber account. Now, first of all, you want to make sure you select the list that you want your landing pages to be built under. All right, in this example, I'm creating under this list, so make sure you select a list that you want to build your landing page under. Next step is that you click on landing pages, and I already did that, and then you click on create a landing page. When you do that, you will choose a template. You choose anyone that you like, all right? In this example, I am choosing this book promotion one right here, so I'm just selecting that one. Now, what we are going to do, just wait for this to load up a little bit, and just proceed to start building out this same page right here. Now, as you see on my page right here, there's no logo included. If you have a logo and you want to put your logo in, you can always upload your logo and put it there. In this example, I'm going to be deleting this entire section. All right, so let's delete that. And let's go to preview and see how it looks so far. As you can see, there's no logo there. However, we want to get our header. So we're going to copy this header right here. This is work from home. And I'm just going to do Command C to copy this, and we go back over to our editor, and we're just going to paste this right there. Now, always go back to and from preview to see how it looks. All right, so you want to make sure you do that, and it's a good idea to also go to the mobile device preview to see how it looks. Now, I like to center my text, and I'm going to change all these to black, all right, because I'm going to change the background to white. All right, so let's do all of this to black, and to do that you just come right there, you go to black, and you apply that. You also want to make sure you go hop back to your main title and you change it to black, apply, and I'm going to center everything here. I like my stuff to be centered. You do what you want to do for yourself. All right, so you come over here, and this is where you select your alignment. So I'm centering that, and I'm also going to highlight work from home, and I'm also going to go right here to select it as center. So let's do that. And actually, let's do this as well to do center for this. And all of this will be centered as well. Now, you put in all your words that you have. Okay, I'm going to just copy this, and I'm coming back over here to put this right here. As you can see, it's copied as white, so we need to change that back to the black that I am choosing. And I'm going to take this out. I'm going to go back over here and copy all of this text here. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to paste this. And let's highlight this and center again. Let's center it. And we go to preview. We see how it looks on mobile. You know, you can choose to keep the background as blue if you want, you know, but in this case, I'm just actually just changing this to white. So you just click out right there and then you see background color. You just click on it and change it to white and click on apply. And I'm going to highlight the text that's hidden right there and just change that back to black because I didn't click on apply. So make sure you always click on apply. And then you go to the page to see how it looks. All right. Now, having a nice white background is always clean and it's always readable for people. You know, this is something you want to consider when you're building out your page. Now, let's go back right there and we're going to give this a little space. So you put your cursor right there and just tap your enter key once. And we're also going to kind of let this be a little bit bigger. So if you want to, for example, you want to change the font, you know, you can always do that. A bigger font. So I'm just playing around with this a little bit. And we can always choose work from home. And make that look big. And we go to this. And that looks nice and big. And let's change this to green. You can always change your colors by coming right here. And we're going to do green for that and apply. See how it looks on the preview. And let's go back. And let's put this let's increase this text a little bit. Maybe to 18. And then we're going to copy. We're actually going to highlight this and change this to red. You go right there and change all of that to red, right? You apply. You see how it looks on this. And let's go back to the editor. And you can change your image out. You can come here, just click on it and go to your gallery, or you can upload an image. I'm just gonna pick something real quick in my images. So this is the same one that I used. And let's preview to see how it looks. So you see my image right down there. Next thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the color and also the text right there. So let's go this page. And I'm just going to copy this text right here. Actually, let me go ahead and do this. And then go back to our landing page builder. And first, let's change the color to green. This green is fine. And apply. Make sure you always click on apply. And let's go back there. I like that. And just paste the text that you want to put there. All right. And you look in preview to see if everything looks good. And now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to add some links down here. As you can see, you can always come here and change your social media links. You know, one of the things that I like doing, I like to put it changes to, instead of white, I can do brand, or you can also do black. You know, it depends on what you want to do. It's up to what you really want to do. Now, you can always remove whatever social media account that you don't want there, right? And you can also add your website link right there. So for example, one of my website, this one. So I'm just gonna select that and put it there. And you know, when you go back to the preview, you will see like the website link is right there. So people can click and go to the website if they want to. All right. So this is a nice little touch right there. Now, what you want to also do, you want to make sure you insert your landing page name here. And for this example, I'm just going to call this Aweber Landing Page Software, Aweber Landing Page Tutorial. And I'm just going to copy this to put it over to the settings section of this. So when you go to settings here, you can do the page title as the same. The page description, you can put it, you can elaborate a little bit more. Aweber Landing Page Tutorial for beginners, right? And that looks like it's pretty good right now. This is just, as I said, very nice and fast for you to kind of see. A lot of people who have like their Google Analytics ID can put it right there, as well as your Facebook Pixel ID for tracking purposes. Now let me see. Now everything looks good. Design is looking good. Now a critical part of this is where we are going to hook up the bridge page to. All right. Now right here, we didn't even change the color for the email. As you can see, you don't see the email nor the name displayed. So that is the reason why, is because we need to change the text color right here. So you can choose the black, and as you can see, you see the change up there, and then you make sure you apply that. All right. So you can choose to leave your name field, or you can choose to remove it. All right. You can get higher quality subscribers when you actually leave your name field, because people who are serious usually enter their name and their emails, right? So a lot of people, but you can always get more emails when you remove the name field. All right, so for this example, we're just going to remove the name field, and you can always come into email and edit. And for example, you want to type some more text in, you can say enter your best email. All right, and then that looks good. All right, so you can always come and change the template default and stuff like that. You can show the privacy policy, if you want, people to actually see that. All right. So in this case, we're not doing that. So let's go to preview for the last time and see how it actually looks. So everything looks good. So this is your landing page. Now let's go back to editor, and I'm going to do save and exit. And then I'm going to show you how you're going to tie up a bridge page like this one. I'm actually going to recreate this so you can follow along and get that done for yourself. So let's go back to our Aweber landing page tutorial. So this is it. And you should always click on publish. So when you click on publish, it's published, it's ready. All right. So you can always copy the link right here. When you copy this link and you go to another window and paste it, it's going to land on that page. So you see how it actually looks. And obviously, if it doesn't look really nice to you, you can always come back. All right, you can always come back and edit. You can always edit by going here, right, and edit it to the way you want it. So always go to edit, go to preview, look at it, see how it looks, see if it's nice. All right, so you can always, like, for example, you can always like bring this up. You can always put back like a logo or anything like that. And now let's go to the bridge page now. So first thing you want to do, you want to come right here and copy it to the same list that you're building. All right, so the same active list, in this case it's manifesting.com. So what I'm going to do, look for manifesting.com right here. Where's manifest? All right, so this is the current list. So we're just making a copy of that. Now this copy, we're going to publish this, and we're going to make some changes on this now, because obviously we're going to add a video, and we're going to add a call to action as well as a little text to the top of it. All right, so let me copy this right now. Let's go back to the landing page, and remember, you can select whichever landing page that you want to work on. So we're going to go to the copy of the Aweber landing page, which we just copied. So we go to edit. And the first thing we want to do, let's wait until that loads up. One of the first thing you want to do, you want to name the page. So in this case, you can call it the thank you page. And you're going to delete all of this. All right. You're going to delete that. First, you want to add your text, and you're going to select the color of text. All right, so we're going to do black, and we're going to paste, and let's highlight that. It's there, so we're just going to let it be in black. Or actually, this was red, so we're going to do it in red for this example. All right, so let's change the color to red. And you can always move this around and apply. and we're going to put this in the center, and we're also going to increase the size of it. All right, so let's go to 32 and see how that looks. Now let's highlight that again, and then this is the background of it. So we're going to change the background back to white. All right, let's go to apply. All right, so as you can see, the background is now white, and then we preview, see how it looks. Always preview on mobile to see if everything matches up, because most people are using mobile phones nowadays, most people, so just keep that in mind. All right, now if you want all this text to be on like one line, you can always decrease the size. All right, so let's go back here and put this to like 24, and we preview to see how it looks. So this is on one line instead of having two lines. So sometimes, you know, some people want that to not be there. All right, so let's go there. We are going to add a video now underneath right there. So let's do that. So let's drag this video. This is the video widget right there, and we're just going to put it right here, right underneath that. And for your video, you're just going to go to either a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. So for Aweber, they're not allowing any other companies like Wistia or any other of those. So you can use YouTube or the Vimeo URL. All right, so in this example, I am just going to use one of my videos. I just did this review, so I'm just going to copy this URL right there. I'm just going to copy the link, and I'm going back to the landing page. I'm just going to paste this right there where you see video URL. So this is pasted right there. All right. Now, what we need to do, we need to delete these. You know, we don't want this to be on the page, right? So let's preview it and see how it looks. So we have the video here. And then we just want to have just a button. We just need a button, just as we see on this screen right here, right? So we are going to go back here. We're just going to delete all of the text and this image here. We're deleting this. We're deleting this page. We don't need that. We don't need any of these. So let's delete all of this. Delete that. Now what we need a button. So over here where you see button, you just drag that right underneath there. You can drag it down here if you want. Actually, let me delete that. That was not a button. This is the button. So let's drag that right there. Let's drag it again. Now we're going to put it right underneath this video right here. So when you see it highlighted, that means you just let it go and it will go there. Now the button, we're just going to center this button right there. So we click on it and we come over here and put it in the center. All right. Now we're going to also put a URL to this. So whatever link that you want to put there, in this case, I'm just going to do google.com, right? But if you have like an affiliate link, you need to put it there. All right. So people can go there, click on your affiliate link, and obviously you get commissions whenever time someone were to make a purchase. All right. So you go there, you put the Google, and you can always change your color. In this case, I'm changing this to green, and apply. All right. Always remember to click apply, and then let's preview this to see how it actually looks. All right. So this is a button underneath here, right? Now what we want to do now, we're going to connect our bridge page to our landing page. All right, so first of all, let's go to settings. Did we do that? Yes, Aweber Landing Page Tutorial. And you know, in this case, you want to change this to like the thank you page, because that is like your SEO for Google, right? Thank you page. And you can say this is the landing page. This is the thank you page actually. So let's do that really fast. And the design is good. We're good. Settings is good. Design is good. Setting is good. All right. So now we're looking good. Okay. We're looking good. So let's do to save and exit. Now, when you do save and exit, what this does is save the page. All right, so just publish it. Just click on publish and click on publish changes and click on publish changes again. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to connect this thank you page to this landing page. So that means whenever time someone comes and click, let me show you. When someone enter their email right here and click on this, we want them to land on this thank you page. Okay, our bridge page, as you know, right? Now let's go ahead and copy this. So we're just going to copy this link that you see right here. So click on this and it copies it to the clipboard. And now we're going to go to the Aweber landing page, click on it and go to edit. Now when you go to edit, what you need to do, make sure you pay attention right here because this is a very important step. You're going to come down here and click on the box where you see the email. And you're going to go over to submission. Now, in Aweber, they will automatically send people over to their custom simple page, right? We don't want that. We want to send them to a custom URL. So this is what I'm going to copy right here. So all you do, you just copy that and wait for the the green check. And you don't want to select open in a new window. Just leave that as it is. And you can also put this down here, already subscribed page. Put this here, custom URL, and you paste that link right there as well. Now you can ignore the tags and stuff like that for now. All right, so that's how you add it. So let's go to save and exit. And then what we're going to do, we're going to test this to make sure it works. So make sure you click on publish changes again, right? So now you have your Aweber landing page and you now have your thank you page, okay? So let's copy this and we're going to go to a new tab just to test it out now, all right? So we paste it there and we are going to test and let's see if this actually works, all right? So enter an email address. Let's do one of my sites here, admin@advancemyhouse. And yes, I want instant access. So let's click it and see what happens. So this is Aweber doing their little confirm your request. So we're going to select I'm not a robot. And it should go over to the bridge page that we just built. So let's give it a little time. All right, great. So this looks good. So this basically is our bridge page. Now usually in your bridge page, you want to tell people about the offer. You want to maybe offer some bonuses or whatever. You want to congratulate people. You want to thank them, right? And then when they watch the video, right, they now have the chance. You're going to tell them to click on the button that they see on the page. So whenever time your subscribers enter their emails, obviously, and come over to the bridge page where you're thanking them, they click, and this should go to Google because this is what we entered into the box. All right. So this works pretty good. All right. So this should work for you if you are on a budget, for example, and you want to switch over from like Clickfunnels or any other of those landing page softwares out there. You can definitely do this to help yourself, right? Help your business to grow. And it's up to you to customize it the way how you want it. You can always come through. But one of the most important things that you want to make sure you do, always see how it looks on a mobile device, all right? See how it looks on a mobile device because a lot of people are using mobile devices these days, right? So make sure you always come and look how it actually looks, all right? Thank you page is looking good, right? And you can always paste these out, all right, the way how you want it. It's up to you. You decide how you want your Aweber landing page to look, all right? So my friend, hopefully this has been helpful to you. Again, if you have questions at all, you want to make sure you go to the comment section of this video if you like the video, you also want to click on the like button so that, you know, this can also help other people out there who are looking for a good Aweber landing page tutorial. All right, so this is my video. This is Jason Foster again from Smart Human Blogger. You can always reach out to me at jason@smarthumanblogger.com. If you are looking to do affiliate marketing, just visit my website. You can also check out my #1 recommendation in the description for creating a full-time income online, my friend. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a blessed day, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.